Sir, that capital R and small r are same.
Why capital R, small r are same? Unnecessary. How you can imagine on your own? Did he say nothing? No. When he don't say it, finish over. You have to break up this into two circuits, LR circuit and again the resistance R. The RMS value of voltages across R and the coil. Across coil, how much it is E2? I say I think better make a circuit here. This is the RMS value is what? Is saying E. E is not, this is a, in short, I'm writing that one. This is AC source. This is capital R, L, smaller. This is a LR circuit. No, this total is what? E2. RMS value. And this is what? E1. So let there be current I flow. It's IRMS. Whenever I say anything current, it's IRMS only. Let's get into, draw the phasor diagram.
Sir, E square minus E1 square minus E2 square by 2R.
Okay, fine, yeah. This LR circuit, it will offer some phase angle, no? LR circuit, it will be. So just imagine this LR circuit. So what is the phase angle of LR circuit? It will make some angle. So let's take the vector diagram. No, get into the thing. What is the phase angle of E? E we don't know. So at least I'm very sure that the E1 and I will be in phase. So let me take this is E1. What about E2? How E2 should be? If the and what is this? This is I here. I will be flowing like this. And let's come for that one. In RL circuit is called lag circuit. No, the current lags the voltage. The current lags the voltage. So therefore, the E2 what happens should make an angle like this here. So we are not understanding. So you do one thing. Take help of like this. This is E2. I'll break up the diagram. This is what you are going to say I and E2. Call this is phase angle phi. Fine, agreed. The current should lag the voltage, and I is a current. It will be like this here. Then across resistor R, how you show that one? This is E1 and also this is I know. And what about E? E should be between E1 and E2. So here is what E2, and this is what the resultant T. You combine all, everything. E1, this will be E2, and this is E. This is of the inductor. I'll write file, and this is the of the total circuit. Some other symbol. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can I continue? Some power gone with mobile will carry on. Some different symbols I'm putting. I think phase angle. So let me write this is theta. This is the phase angle of circuit. In any of the symbol. So do we know that theta now? So what you can write theta as? The theta will come here. Theta is the power difference. You can say that it's a voltage difference between the current and the E2 and I, angle between E2 and I. That's what I showed. Let's write one by one equation. So E1 equal to I1R. Then thermal power dissipated across the coil. Will dissipate only R, no? So component of E2 will be there. Power dissipated across the coil. So what shall we write? E2 cos theta into I. Can you remember yesterday we used this method? E2 cos theta, component of voltage along the current across the coil. I is the current through the coil, and E2 is the total voltage. So E2 cos theta into I will be the power dissipated across the coil. Fine. And what is I? What is I? I is E1 by R. So therefore, this is everything E1, E2 by R cos theta. This is the power dissipated across the coil. We don't know cos theta. That cos theta has to be determined. So how to bring cos theta? So let's come for one more diagram I'll introduce so that it will be easy for you. This will be E1. In fact, this is E2. No? Why, sir, how you are writing E1 like this? What will be the phase angle of E1? Should be that of I. So therefore, no. The resultant of these two, E square should be equal to E1 square plus E2 square 2E1 E2 cos theta. Should be cos phi or cos theta? Should be cos theta only. I'm just taking the vector addition. And why it should be E square? Because we know E1 square plus angle between E1 and E2. The vector sum of E1 and E2 should be equal to E, no? And shall I write, why you're not writing like this? Anybody? Why I'm bringing that cos theta? Why not we just write only this much here? The reason for that, E1 and E2 are not perpendicular. If they were perpendicular, E1, E2 perpendicular, I would have eliminated 2 E1, E2 cos theta. I would have wrote like this. E1, E2, the angle between them is theta. Sir, how come E1? The angle of current I'm using zero phase. So therefore E1 should also have zero phase. Substitute this cos theta, you solve it, you get the power dissipated. So you must be very careful about the vector addition there. This will be the option, solve it. Next one. Power factor of the box is given 0.5 and power factor of circuit is given by √3/2 with current leading the voltage. Find the effective resistance of the box.